before we get on with it, I want to say a huge thank you to Kiehl's for sponsoring this portion of the video. As you guys know, I'm a pretty big fan of Kiehl's and have been for many years now, so I'm super excited to share with you 3 products that I genuinely love and use regularly in my skincare routine. These products are super easy to use and gentle and won't cause you any irritation or discomfort, even if you have really sensitive skin just like I do. So the first one that I want to share with you is the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask made with Amazonian white clay. This mask intensively purifies to minimize pores and can be used for normal to oily skin types to help eliminate the debris and dead surface skin cell accumulation that clogs pores and leaves skin looking dull. I really do find that this mask helps to eliminate toxins from my skin, both minimizing the appearance of pores and leaving my skin feeling much more refined. I love to use this mask before a photo shoot or even a night out, as I notice an instant visible difference in my skin. So on days when my skin is craving a little bit more hydration, I will use the Avocado Nourishing Hydration Mask. This mask helps to soothe and soften my skin and is perfect to use before bed and before you continue on with the rest of your nighttime skincare routine. This mask is formulated with avocado fruit extract, omega-rich avocado oil, and evening primrose oil. It leaves my skin feeling nourished and helps to avoid water loss by sealing in moisture. For best results, I like to add a visible layer of the mask onto my skin. I will then wait 15 minutes and wash it off with warm water using circular motions and then just pat dry with a fresh face towel. And the last product that I want to tell you guys about is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This product is without a doubt my absolute favorite product from Kiehl's. For me personally, I particularly love this product as it doesn't cause me any breakouts, it doesn't irritate my skin in any way, which I do find that a lot of other moisturizers can do, and it just leaves my skin feeling super fresh and super clean. It is a unique, fast absorbing cream which provides water replenishment throughout the day by absorbing moisturizer from the air for continuous comfort and moisture balanced skin. If you're looking for a new moisturizer for every day that will work well with your already existing skincare routine, I would definitely consider Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. Anyways, that is all. Of course, all the links to these products will be in the description box below, along with all my other favorites from Kiehl's. Let's get back to this video. Good afternoon, guys. As you can see, I am currently blending into my surroundings. The obsession with green has yet to subside. The rug for the living area actually just arrived yesterday. Here it is. I really love it. I think that it breaks up the space quite nicely, as there was like a lot of beige and white going on, so this sort of just like warms it up a little bit, and yeah, it's very nice. Very happy with it. Now that I've got the couch and the rug, I really need to get a coffee table, but I'm finding it really hard to decide what kind of coffee table I want. Maybe like a rectangle one as opposed to a square one, and something with like a bit of texture. Kind of like the idea of having a glass coffee table as well, but Nick does not like that idea as much, so I don't know, I'll keep you guys updated. I have these 2 ripe bananas, so you know what that means. I think I'm gonna make some banana bread. I saw this recipe for fluffy chocolate banana bread on Instagram. I think I'm just gonna make that recipe. I actually don't have half the ingredients, but I'm just gonna like work with whatever I've got, and I'm sure it will taste similar, hopefully. I haven't actually baked that much in this. Ooh, oh my god, I almost saw a snake. Oh my god. I haven't actually baked that much in this new kitchen yet, so this will be fun, and it'll also be a good test to see how good the oven is as well, because I actually don't really know. Let's check on the banana bread. Ooh, it looks really good. Yeah, like a black leather one.
Oh my lord.
This is Nick's favourite chair.
This is the chair.
This is the chair. What about that as a coffee table? I don't know what has happened to Melbourne weather recently. I mean, I don't know why I'm surprised, but it has been particularly freezing. So this is my little outfit of the day. We are about to head into the city. So let's go. Alright, I just got home and I think I'm gonna have some leftover chicken noodle soup for lunch. If you guys watch my recent Q&A, you will have seen me make this. I actually think it tastes better the next day. Anyways, while we wait for the soup to cook or like warm up, I'll show you guys what I ended up selecting from Age. They very kindly offered to gift me a couple of pieces to wear to Melbourne Fashion Week, which is this week. I ended up going with the white shirt. I got it in a size 6. I felt like the 8, which is the one that I had on in store, was maybe just a little bit big. I also went with the black skirt. I'm not sure which show I'm going to wear this specific outfit to just yet, but it'll most likely be on like Friday, Saturday or Sunday.